How do estate sales work? What is an estate sale? That's what we're talking about today, and we're getting started right now. Hi, I'm KimWard, real estate broker, certified probate real estate advisor, and expert at helping prepare, market, and sell homes in probate or trust. Estate sales, that's what can happen once someone has passed away and there is enough property left in the home, the personal property of the decedent, so that the estate sale company can make money and the estate can make money. This particular home does have enough personal property of high quality items that will work for an estate sale.
I'm Gary Lawrence with Infinity Estate Sales. The first thing, if you're going to have an estate sale, don't throw anything away. We can't sell trash, but we can sell junk. So we'll decide what's junk and what's not, and that will add up in your sale. So definitely don't throw anything away till you get a company in to evaluate your sale. You want to check their experience. You want to see if they're licensed, bonded, and if there's any extra fees, because some companies will tend to have a lower percentage, but then by the time they add the fees in, it's going to affect you. You also don't want to just judge a company by the fees. You want to judge a company by all the services that they offer and their expertise in estate sales. Take the items that you really want in a sale. When you're going through the sale, you don't have to do a lot of preparation. You go through and you pick the things you want, you identify those, leave everything else that it is. You don't have to box things up, you don't have to do anything, because that's just going to cause more work for the estate sale company.
What does the estate sale company do? Well, first they come to the home and they look around and they look at all the different items. They open up drawers, they open up cupboards, and they determine, is there enough property left for the sale so that they can make money and the estate will make money. Once they've decided that, yes, this is a good candidate for an estate sale, then they look at their calendar and they determine when they can hold a 2-day sale. The sales are typically held on Saturday and Sunday. They will come into the home the week before and they will set out tables and they will go through everything in the garage, in the closets, in the drawers, in the cupboards, and they will lay out all the items so that they can be easily seen by the people coming to the estate sale. Everything is done with reverence for the personal property, liquidating the items that belonged to their loved one. The remaining personal property, after the sale is complete, will be looked at by a buyout company. They will offer a dollar amount and take everything that is remaining. And then once all of the items are out of the house, that's when I get started. So there you go. That's the overview of what an estate sale is. I hope this is helpful to you. If you do find it helpful, give me a thumbs up by hitting the like button. Be sure to subscribe, and if you hit the bell button next to the subscribe, you'll be notified of all of my upcoming videos. If you have a property that you would like to be considered for an estate sale, just leave a comment below and I will be in touch with you. And if you've already had an estate sale, let me know how it went. If you have a question, I'd love to answer it for you too. What do I say? Estate sales? That's what you can. Is there enough money? Ignore that. If you found this of help. Hi, I'm KimWard, broker and something. Oh, I don't have to do that. Okay. Okay, I think I got it.